Imagine turning on the news, scrolling through your phone or walking through a modern factory, and realizing the future isn't coming, it's already here. Robots are no longer confined to sci-fi movies or tech expos. They're sorting your packages, building your car, scanning your groceries, and believe it or not, assisting in life-saving surgeries. The rise of automation is real. While some worry about what robots might take away, we're more concerned about what they'll help create. In this video, we're breaking down 5 industries that aren't just surviving automation, but thriving because of it. This is Factory Forward, where we explore the trends shaping tomorrow's world today. Instead, you'll find robotic arms assembling parts with precision, conveyor belts guided by sensors, and AI systems are monitoring quality control in real time. These aren't just gadgets, they're production powerhouses reshaping how we make and move just about everything. In the world of logistics, it's the same story. Companies like Amazon and FedEx are deploying entire fleets of autonomous robots, picking, packing, and sorting orders faster than a team of humans ever could. There are self-driving forklifts, drone deliveries, and warehouse bots zooming through massive distribution centers with pinpoint accuracy. So why is this industry booming? It comes down to 3 big things. Speed. Robots don't need coffee breaks, they work 24/7 without fatigue. Efficiency, with fewer mistakes, means that products move faster and smarter, long-term labor costs, and increases output. Add in global supply chain challenges and rising consumer demand. Automation has become a strategic necessity, not just a tech upgrade. Next, we move to a space you might not expect: healthcare. It's easy to imagine robots in factories, but in hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, absolutely. Let's start with robot-assisted surgery. Systems like the Da Vinci surgical robot allow doctors to perform highly delicate procedures with greater control and accuracy. Smaller incisions, faster healing, fewer complications. That's the power of robotic precision. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are robotic rehabilitation systems helping stroke survivors learn to walk again. Automated pharmacy bots that sort, count, and package pills with 0 error. And yes, even robotic companions can help the elderly live independently by reminding them to take medication or assisting with basic tasks. AI and robotics are also changing diagnostics. Machines can now scan X-rays and MRIs, spotting tiny signs of disease that even trained professionals might miss. So what's fueling the boom in healthcare robotics? A global aging population, staffing shortages in hospitals and care homes, a demand for precision and personalized medicine. In a sector where every second counts, robotics delivers smarter, faster, and safer solutions. Now let's go from hospitals to the fields. Farming, one of humanity's oldest industries, is going high-tech, and robotics is leading the charge. Gone are the days when crops were planted, watered, and harvested by hand or bulky machines. Today, we have autonomous tractors guided by GPS AI-powered drones that fly over fields, checking crop health and spotting issues before they spread, and robotic harvesters that carefully pick fruits and vegetables without bruising them. This is all part of a movement called precision agriculture, where technology helps farmers optimize every step of the process, from soil prep to harvest. Why is this so important? Because farmers face serious challenges: labor shortages, climate instability, and a growing global population to feed. Robotics helps reduce waste, conserve resources, and dramatically increase yields. And as costs drop and tech becomes more accessible, even small and medium farms are getting in on the action. In the near future, farming will involve sensors, satellites, and smart machines, not just soil and seeds. Up next, construction. And yes, you heard that right, the job site of the future is getting an upgrade. From robotic bricklayers to 3-dimensional printed buildings, the construction industry is undergoing a quiet revolution. Imagine a robot that can lay 3,000 bricks daily without sweating, or a house built in just 24 hours using a concrete 3-dimensional printer. These aren't just ideas, they're already happening in places like Dubai, Japan, and even parts of North America. And it doesn't stop there. Drones survey land and map terrain with centimeter-level accuracy. Self-driving bulldozers are preparing sites automatically, and workers are wearing robotic exosuits that reduce strain and injury while boosting strength. So why the shift? Construction faces a global labor shortage. Projects are under intense pressure to meet deadlines, and safety is a significant concern. Robots bring consistency, reduce delays, and make dangerous tasks safer. It's about building better, faster, and smarter, with fewer risks and more reliability. Let's talk about the everyday world, retail and customer service. You've probably seen self-checkouts, touchscreens, and even the occasional robotic assistant in a fast food joint, but that's just the beginning. In Japan, robots greet customers at department stores. In California, restaurants use robotic arms to flip burgers and pour drinks. And in stores across America, Inventory bots roll through aisles, scanning for out-of-stock items faster than any human employee. Behind the scenes, AI and robotics are also streamlining supply chains, processing returns, and customizing shopping experiences based on your habits. Soon we'll see more of robot baristas and chefs, automated kiosks in malls and airports, and AI concierges for hotels and retail chains. Why is this taking off? Because consumers want speed, personalization, and no waiting. And companies want lower costs and consistent service 24/7. We're not saying robots will replace all human workers in retail, but they will handle the repetitive, time-sensitive tasks so humans can focus on the rest. It's service, with a silicon smile. So here's the big picture. Robots aren't just changing the way we work, they're changing the why behind how we work. They're not here to take over, they're here to help us do more, do it better, and in many cases do it safer. From factories to fields, hospitals to homes, these 5 industries aren't just surviving automation, they're thriving because of it. And this is just the beginning. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more deep dives like this one. Smash the like button if you learned something new. And let us know in the comments, which industry do you think will benefit most from robotics? Would you trust a robot to drive your tractor, build your house, perform your surgery? This is Factory Forward, where the future meets function, and the future is already here.